A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is Monday, April 19, 2021. We're going to log into my TD Ameritrade Rollover IRA, and we're going to see what it do. So hopefully you guys had a good trading day. I did not. And I'm going to show you. I don't hide anything. I keep it 100. Because when I started out, nobody was there to keep it 100 with me. So I want to encourage you guys to invest. And we're going to get into this account. And we're going to see what it do. All right, so the first thing that we always do is make the text bigger. So let's do that. So we're going to start off with dividends. So we're going to go to transactions. And I got it set for the last 2 weeks. That was the last time I gave you guys an update. And we're going to start with the 6th of April because in the last video, I told you guys what was going on the 5th. So guess what? No dividends. So nobody gave me any free money this week. So we're going to go and talk about the stocks that I bought. And I didn't have too much activity in the last 2 weeks, but I bought 3 different stocks. So I bought more Whirlpool. I already have that in my portfolio, so I added 3 more shares. I bought more TZOO. This is Travel Zoo. I added another 28 shares. And I bought a brand new stock. This is stock ticker PRI, and this is Primerica. And I have their website up. And this is a company I heard about a long time ago, probably over 20 years ago. And I kind of just blew it off. I never took the time to say, are they listed on a stock exchange and is the company making money? Well, guess what? I finally did it. And I said, oh man, I wish I'd have bought this stock a while back. But I have it now. And the reason that I'm buying this stock is that the company is very profitable. They have a good cash flow and the economy is picking up. And the people who can do it, they are investing in themselves and they're looking at companies to help them out. And this is one of the companies that's doing a pretty good job at it in terms of making a profit of helping people. So let's go to company, and I want to go to About Us. So I'm not going to read this, but you guys can pause this video or just go to the website yourself and check out what they're talking about. But this company has been around for a while and they're helping people make money. But I believe they charge a commission. They're making money off of you. So if you are following me, you know how I get down. I don't want a dime from you. So I'm not going to recommend this company in terms of going to them and paying them to show you how to make money, because you can do that free right here with me. But there are some people who just don't have the time or they just don't want to do it themselves. This will be one of the companies you can check out if you are not the kind of person that think you can do it yourself. But trust me, you can, because it's easy, and I'm showing you that it's easy. All right, so let's go back to the portfolio. And I did sell one stock, and this is stock ticker EXPI. And the name of this company is EXP World Holdings. And I didn't have this stock for too long. I had it for about 2 months. And I can weather up and downs in the stock market. So yeah, it goes up a little bit, it goes down a little bit. But within 2 months, I was down 40%. And that is a no-no for me. Now, I have had stocks in the past that might go down 30 or 40%. That's over maybe like a year and a half, it might go that low. And I believed in the company and I would keep it. But for this particular company, yeah, did I believe in it? Yeah. Do I believe in it? No. That's why I sold it. So it's going to happen to you. It happens to me. You will buy a stock and you have to determine when you want to sell. For me, losing 40% in 2 months, it was time to sell. So let's go back here to the top and we're going to compare where I am today to where I was 2 weeks ago. So my account and positions. And my rollover IRA value is $210,776.77. And we're going to compare that to 2 weeks ago. So we're here at stocks and rentals. And my last update was April 5th. And on the 5th, I had $204,991.03. And bringing that back to today, the difference is a positive difference. And the market is still open. So this number is bouncing around a little bit. But I am up a positive $5,761.57. That is passive income. That's money making money. As I like to say, I'm making money while I'm sleeping. And how did I make that money? All I do is log into my account, do my analysis, and I buy my stocks. And you just sit back and wait. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. But if you're a long-term investor, it is always good. My loss for the day is $610.55. So that is not good. But again, comparing it to the last 2 weeks, over $5,000, I am not crying. Let's take a look at my best performing and least performing stocks. So my best performing stock is right here. I'm up 5.36% for today. The stock ticker is VSTO, and this is Vista Outdoor Incorporated. And my least performing stock is Peloton, down 6.82%. I lost almost $80. Stock ticker is PTON, and again, this is Peloton Interactive stock. Let me explain what you guys are looking at. Right here is the stock ticker. This is how many stocks I have. You can kind of look at this column right here as the average price per share of stock that I bought. This is the price today of the stock. This is the dollar amount of gain for the day. This is the percentage of gain for the day. This is the dollar gain since I've owned a stock, and this is the percentage gain since I've owned a stock. So we're going to do a slow scroll. You guys are looking at this on the video, of course, so you can pause the video, but you are looking at everything in my portfolio. And you can look at the stock ticker, you can Google it, learn about the stock, and decide if that's something that you would want to invest in. But you guys need to remember, there are a lot of stocks that I am not invested in that can be doing a lot better or not so good, but it's your money and the choice is yours. My job is to let you know that you can get paid in the stock market, and I'm proving that. So how can you start with $1 and be so profitable that you can get over $200,000 like what I'm showing right here? I'm glad you asked. All you got to do, if you're looking at this video on YouTube, is go down to the description, and I'm going to have a link that will take you directly to my homepage, stocksandrentals.com. So you guys know how I get down. I invest in stocks. I invest in rentals. If you really think about it, why would I try to get money from you? That makes no sense if I'm telling you and I'm proving to you that this is where I go to make my money in the stock market, and this is where I go to get my cash flow for my rental properties, It absolutely makes no sense for me to try to get money from you. If anybody's trying to do that, they ain't got your back. If I'm getting mine, you guys can get yours too. Stocksandrentals.com. I'm out. Peace.